Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, my dear friends. In this topic we have to study. I will discuss about the editing and formatting of the spreadsheet. As you are looking here, one spreadsheet, one data table I have created here of the product list, and I want to format it properly, all the things. Okay, come to the topic, how I can format it properly. As you are looking, I have selected, this is the selection pointer. I have selected the cell address by holding the mouse pointer, mouse left button. You are looking here, plus thick white plus thick sign, that is selection pointer. In this way you can select it. If you want to select whole the worksheet at once, you have to click on this corner side, then you can select. Okay, if you want to select any whole column, then you have to click on the heading of the column. If you want to select any whole row, then you have to click on this. And if you want to select whole row by using the keyboard, then how you can do, look here, I am displaying here. You have to hold the shift key for the selection of the number of column, number of rows. Okay, children, see here, you have to hold the shift key firstly, and then click on that particular row. Firstly you have to click here one row, this like this, and you have to hold the shift key, and again you have to click on the row. In this way the whole row, number of row continuously selected. Okay, in this way, like this, you are looking here, selection. Okay, as you release the shift key, you can release. And if you selected the cell address, number of column by using the cell address, you can select in this way. Continuously you can select the number of columns. Okay, otherwise suppose you want to select the by leaving one column, two column, then how you can do, you have to select the column and hold the control key. I have selected one whole column, you are looking here, and again I have clicked the second column, that is selected full column here. You are looking here in dull color. If I want to change the color of these columns, you can see here the whole column color has been changed. Okay, in the same pattern, if you want to select the number of rows for particular for the marking of particular record one by one, then you have to hold the control key hold करिए, and then click one by one on the particular row. It will select the records, just like I am here working. You are looking here, and as you go to the particular cell address, you can mark in this way. Okay, I hope it is clear. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, and in this way you can select. Suppose I want to more row top of the heading row, then I have to right click here, and then we can insert here option, insert one more row. Suppose I want to insert one more row, two more row on this particular area. For more entry, we have to enter here insert key. As I select the insert option, then it will insert the one row more. Okay, if I again want to delete, then there is given the delete option, you can delete. Okay, in the same way column, if you want to insert the column, one column, then you can insert by selecting the heading. Clear? And if you have selected the suppose you have selected the 2 or 3 row column, and you want to insert again 3 column, then click, you have selected 3 columns, then it will insert the 3 number of columns at once. In the same way, if you selected the 3 number of rows or 4 number of rows by selecting using the shift key, and again you have click on the heading of row that is given a number left side, and you have inserted, then it will insert the number of rows at once. Okay, I think it is clear, everyone. I hope everyone has it is clear. And now come to the point. If I again want to delete, we can delete it in this way, by holding the control and then minus key, we can delete. Okay, you are looking here, column has been deleted. Okay, in this way, if you have selected the number of cell, row, and you want to delete, you have to just click on the control key and once minus sign. As you click on the one minus sign, it will delete. Okay, this is the keyboard shortcut. If you want to insert the column, then click here, place the pointer particular column, and then go to the column control key and shift key, and then click on the plus button, then it will insert the column. As you are looking here, one column inserted. And if you want to delete it, you have to repeat control plus minus. In the same way, if you want to insert the row, then you have to hold the control shift and then click on the plus button. It will insert the plus, one column, one row inserted. Again, if you click on want to delete it, you have to hold the control key and press together minus sign. This is the selection and insertion and deletion of the rows and columns. If you want to rename your worksheet, you are looking here, chart number 2 लिखा है. If you want to make it data sheet, then you have to click here, give the name of data, DATA. How it has been done, we have to click on that particular sheet, right click करना है, and then we have to select the rename option. Okay, and you are looking here, data sheet I have written here. And suppose you want to delete, as you click on the delete, it will delete. And if you want to change the color of that particular tab, you can change the tab color. Also, you are looking here, tab color has been changed. Clear? You can move this sheet anywhere in this place. In this way, you can change the order of sheets. Okay, you are looking, I have changed the order of sheets by holding the mouse left button, mouse की left button hold रखिए and drag the particular sheet left or right side. Okay, now this is the cell address. One more row is here. I have to merge that particular cell address to add the heading. For the heading, top heading, we have to click on the merge and center option. I have given here one title. Suppose I have given here one title, APS you are looking here, my name is inserted. I have given here the list of product title. I have given list of products. And I have here enter 2020-21. Okay, This is the title of the sheet, and if you want to apply the border, click on this particular border area. It will be all side border you are looking here. And if you want to fill the color, any color, light color I have applied here. And if you want to change the title of this, I have changed the title. If you want to increase the size of row, if you want to increase the size of column, in this way you can increase, and double click करोगे, then it will adjust according to the width of the column and row, just like this, and height of the row. Okay, you have to click on the top heading पर click करना है, then it will adjust by itself. I hope you understand about this. Okay, this is the setting. Okay, and now this is the formatting. And suppose anyone want to change the head, rotate the heading, anything. If you want to rotate the heading, just like scanner, I want to vertically, it should show vertically, then we have to select it, and we have to rotate by clicking on the alignment here. And you are looking here the font, border, fill, number, alignment, you are looking here, and we have to rotate the change the direction of the product list. You are looking here, I have changed the name of the products, headings, जो heading name था वो हमने change कर दिया, उसका direction change कर दिया. If you want to again change, not I want to change this type, you are looking here, different style you can use. Okay children, I hope you understand about this, how you can change the style of the column. Okay, in this way you can change. And as you click now you click on the this particular heading, then it will adjust by itself, it will shrink by itself. Okay, suppose one thing more, if you want to select, you increase the all cells height, रो की हाइट आपको सेम एक साथ बढ़ाना है, देन यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट इन दिस वे, एंड यू हैव टू जस्ट इंक्रीज द हाइट in this way. The same height will be there all the products, and in the same way if you want to increase the all columns same size, then you can increase in this way. You are looking here, this is the manner of the formatting. Clear? I hope it is clear everyone how you can format and how you can edit the data in a spreadsheet program. Okay, in this way you can, if you want to increase the size, font size here is given, font size you can increase, you can decrease, you can change the font style, underline, these things also you can do. You can change the color, suppose you want to change the color, then you can change the different color, apply the different color, whatever you want to apply the color on the particular product. Okay, thank you to all of you for watching my video.